In this video, we're going to look at how to get logged into Quizlet and do your vocabulary activities. So the very first thing we're going to do is make sure that we've joined the appropriate Quizlet class. You'll find the bit.ly link for this in Canvas. It may be different than the one that I'm using now. It's important when you're using bit.ly links to ensure that you are using the exact bit.ly link that is listed using the capitalization and all of the numbers that are there. So in this video, we're going to look at the bit.ly link here. We're uploading this one. Again, it may be different than the one that is in Canvas. But it's important to join the class first so that your progress is saved. So you can see I entered the bit.ly link wrong, so we'll see what exactly what I did wrong. I put a 0 instead of a capital O. All right, now I've reloaded it, and now I'm ready to join this bit.ly or this Quizlet class. So you can see here I need to go ahead and sign up for free to request access. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. That's for Henry County Public Schools, which is exactly what you should do. I'll set my birthday. Yes, this is my actual birthday. And then it's going to generate me a username, and I can hit sign up. Let's see here. It's weird that it's not going to allow me to say that I'm a student. Hopefully yours says that you are a student. I'm going to reload this page. All right, so once we're logged into Quizlet, let's see here, we will join a class. The class that we are joining, just like